my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Today, let we start GK Unit 1, Nature, Chapter number 1, Plant Quiz. Take right the correct answer. Which part of spinach is eaten? Leaves. The leaves of which plant are used as a plates in South India? Banana. Which vegetable plant is also called eggplant? Brinjal. Eggplant. Brinjal. Which grass grows so tall that this is called elephant grass? Seeds of which vegetable are cooked? Pea, यानी कि मटर. Peas. Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetable? Which vegetable is known as wonder drug? Garlic. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. Unique features of animals. Using the unique body part given as a picture clues, complete this crossword puzzle by filling in the names of the animals. Okay, so let me start. Number 1, spines. Porcupine. 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 Number 2, long neck. Giraffe. Number 3, tusked. Elephant. Four, antler. Reindeer. Five, shell. Snail. 6, hooves. Horse. 7, spots. Leopard. 8, stripes. 8, tiger. 9, hump. Camel. So it is done. So my dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Plant know-how. Circle the correct answer. 84% of a raw. 84% of raw. Apple or mango? Mango. A pineapple is a berry. Almond cashews are the oldest and extensively used nuts in the world. Almonds. Drumstick is a vegetable. Avocados, mangoes have the highest calories per 100 grams. Rice is a type of grass. A radish, cucumber is 96% water. Cucumber. Ginger chili is used for fighting motion sickness with no side effect. Motion and sickness. Oak trees do not produce acorns until they are 20-50 years old or older. 50. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Read the clues and guess the names of these plants product. This fruit is generally used as a vegetable in our homes. It is the biggest of all fruits and is also used as a vegetable. Jackfruit. The flowers of this plant are used to make gulkan, rose. The flour of this grain is used for making bread, cakes, biscuit, etc. Wheat. The cooked seeds of this plant are made into powder and used for making a drink. Coffee. This white or brown grain is used for making kheer, pulao, idlis, etc. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 5. Nests or of birds. Given below are pictures of nests of some birds. Identified and name the birds. Okay. The birds use a nest using leaves, plant fibers and strip of grass. Strip of grass. So, tailor bird. This bird weaves a deep cup-like nest with the help of grass and American robin. This bird uses a cavity in a tree to make a nest in. Number 3. Woodpecker. This bird makes a nest to hang it at the end of a tree branch. Oriole. This bird makes its nest in huge groups called colonies. This bird uses mosses, feathers, leaves, thistles, etc. to make a small nest. Hummingbird. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. Animal toppers. Look at the pictures, read the clues and write the correct name of the animals. Heavy snake. Python. Largest bat. Flying fox. Highest flyer. Bar-headed goose. Largest living animal. Largest spider. Tarantula. Deepest river, emperor penguin. Number 7. Largest snake. Anaconda. Largest seabird. Albatross. Largest rodent. Capybara. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Read the clues and identify the animals. Let's begin the chapter number 7, leaves in our lives. Here are some green leaves that are very useful to us. Read the clues and unscramble the words to name them. They are large and waterproof. In some parts of India, they are used as plates. Banana. This tree has broad leaves and their juice is very useful in treating dengue fever. Papaya. The leaves of this plant are sacred in Hindu religion. It helps to treat cold and cough. Basil. Their leaves are bitter in taste. They are used as medicine. Neem. Their leaves are soft and green. They are used to flavor food dishes. It is a soft herbs and has a cooling flavor. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. Read the clues and identify the animals. This animal has a long nose and a strong sense of smell. Its diet is mainly ants and termites. Long nose and a strong sense of smell. Anteater. This mammal carries its young one in a pouch. Kangaroo. This animal has the largest brain in the world. Its brain weighs about 8 kgs. It is the longest poisonous snake in the world. It can be seen in different colors: black, brown, green, or king cobra. This is a wild camel with two humps in which it stores fat. Bacterian camel. This animal eats only eucalyptus leaves. It sleeps for 20 hours a day and spends the rest of the time eating. ये है koala bear. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.